Let's take a look at the settings available to you within your SAM Studio account. At the bottom left-hand corner, you will see three options. You will see a Settings tab, the ability to log out, and an overview of your name and the email account that you are signed into. By clicking on this Settings option, you will see that you now have three different settings that you can either update or modify. The first is your user details, including your name. If you created your account using your first and last name and have decided that you would like to modify the name that appears to your students, you can simply click on the user details for the name, type in the name that you want your students to see, and then click Save. If you would like to join a subscription, you can enter in a subscription code here. Lastly, for your students, if they would like to join another classroom, at the Request to Join Class, they can enter in another class code and click Submit. This is really helpful if you have a student who is enrolled in a couple of different classes where each teacher is using SAM Labs and has a different classroom set up on SAM Studio. That student can then request to join their other classrooms. Their teachers can approve them, and under their classes tab, they will be able to see all of the different classrooms that they are enrolled in. These are the settings that are available to you within your SAM Studio account.